Finished. The car's finished from last time I built it. Now I finished it. So I forgot the man too. So let's continue that first. So I'll just put this car right there. Right there. So here's the car. So here's here's the car. And so guys, let's continue the plan. After that, I'm gonna make something by using these bricks, by using the other bricks that weren't used. And I'll show you it here. So the guy is completed because it's very easy. So I'm gonna put it right here.
Ayan yung ano mo, oh. Ano to, eto, oh. Nutribus. Kunin mo na. Tapos kunin mo to. Kunin mo to.
Wait, Mom.
Kasi dito mo ilagay yung toys mo. Ay,
Okay.
ka-video ka pala.
There. Next, we need to go
Ano po to?
We need to build something.
Ito po.
Chicken yan.
I'll have to some 3 pieces.
Kapalidaw.
Oo.
Ito ano to?
Nilagang.
Pero parang wala ng karne yan eh.
Ay, ano ba yun?
Ubus na. Ano na siya.
Wala na ba? Ba't mo naubos yung baboy ngayon tapos marami yan?
May kanina, may bumili.
Meron pa naman.
Pero malamig na siya.
Oh! Ano to anak? Bilihan natin tita. O isang order na to.
Sinong kita?
Ano, yung baboy nilaga. O butter chicken. O butter chicken na lang isang order. Magkano to?
120. Pero good for 2 na yun.
Here, it's almost finished.
Busy si Papa.
Badong, what are you doing?
I'm videoing so I can make a YouTube video.
You want
May aso ka na to?
I said a YouTube video.
next na yun.
Sige. Gusto ko madami asukal. Yung magkaka-diabetes ako.
Ay, tayo naman. Meron pa yata doon.
Balik ako, wait lang.
23. Saan na yung lagayan? Dagdagan mo daw asukal. May bukas ka na nito.
Wait.
Ano?
Yes. My builds.
Yung
This
magkakadiabetes
is for the
daw siya.
people. This is